Performance and Engineering YouTube channel is going to feature a lot of this truck, a 1982 Datsun 720 pickup. This truck is going to be used to showcase a lot of the custom components, designs, and custom fabricated items that we can produce for you, taking anything from a conceptual idea into a manufactured prototype, whatever it may be, product. Our services can help you, and we want to show you how we can do that with everyday simple items and things that we come up with for this truck. Hopefully you enjoyed. Leave a comment down below. Let us know what you think.
Through the lowest price little hustler that packs a ton of value, the Southern California Datsun value phenomenon continues. And Little Hustler, only at your Southern California Datsun dealer now.